What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ6 channel. So today we're showing you guys how to remove the gauges on your Series 3 just in case you have a blown light bulb that you want to replace, or if you guys want to upgrade the light bulbs to LED, or if you guys want to remove them and switch the style of the gauges, or if one of the gauges are not functioning right, you could check the wiring behind it. So let's just get to it. Start by pulling the warning light cover towards you. Remove the speedometer by turning it counterclockwise. Get a good grip on it. Disconnect the wiring connections. Follow the same procedure to remove the tachometer. Or the other one. There you go. Now we got this one. These light bulbs are very interesting. They're screw-in. Part number LLB987. They make LED light bulb replacements now. I'm going to demonstrate how to remove the fuel gauge. It's the same procedure for the rest of the gauges. Reach back and remove the nut holding the bracket. You might be able to twist it off with your fingers, but if it's on too tight, you will need to use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the nut. There you go, got it. Remove the bracket and push the gauge out towards you. Disconnect the connections. You can replace the light bulb without removing the gauge. Just reach back and pull the light bulb socket. Alright, you guys, so I finished removing the rest of the gauges. Now real quick, I want to talk about the speedometer. Now the fact that it's very easy and simple to remove, someone could replace it with a lower mileage speedometer or low miles on the odometer. So if you plan on purchasing a Series 3, you want to make sure that the seller has some service records that match or are very close or similar to the speedometer odometer, because everybody's trying to hustle, so they could swap it out and raise the price on the Jag, and I don't want you guys to get played.